Have you ever looked at someone else's houseplants and wondered why they're overflowing with giant leaves, thick stems, and vibrant green growth, while yours barely produce a new leaf every month? The secret may not be expensive fertilizers or fancy gardening gadgets. In fact, many experienced gardeners rely on one simple, natural fertilizer that feeds plants slowly, improves soil health, and encourages explosive growth from the roots up. Whether you grow snake plants, Monstera, Pothos, peace lilies, Jade plants, ZZ plants, spider plants, or even herbs and vegetables, this easy trick can make a noticeable difference. But there's a catch. Using it the wrong way can actually slow growth or damage your plants. In today's video, I'll reveal this powerful fertilizer, explain why it works so well, show you exactly how to use it, and share bonus care tips that help your plants grow bigger, healthier, and faster than ever before. Let's get started. Part 1. Why plants stop growing. Many people believe that watering regularly is enough to keep houseplants healthy, but water alone cannot provide everything a plant needs. Every new leaf, root, flower, and stem requires essential nutrients that come from the soil. Over time, potted plants use up these nutrients, leaving the soil depleted and unable to support vigorous growth. That's when you start noticing slow growth, pale leaves, smaller foliage, weak stems, or plants that seem completely stuck. The three primary nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, are responsible for leafy growth, strong roots, and overall plant health. Plants also need calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, and other trace minerals in smaller amounts. Without these nutrients, even the brightest location and perfect watering schedule won't deliver impressive results. Feeding your plants consistently replenishes these nutrients, strengthens their root systems, and provides the energy needed to produce lush, healthy foliage throughout the growing season. Part 2. The secret fertilizer that gardeners love. The secret fertilizer is worm castings, often called black gold, because of their incredible ability to improve plant growth naturally. Worm castings are the nutrient-rich waste produced by composting worms after they digest organic material. They contain balanced amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, beneficial microorganisms, enzymes, humic acids, and natural plant growth hormones. Unlike many chemical fertilizers, worm castings release nutrients slowly over time, reducing the risk of fertilizer burn while continuously feeding your plants. They also improve soil structure, helping it retain moisture while maintaining excellent drainage and airflow around the roots. Healthy roots mean healthier plants. Beneficial microbes found in worm castings break down organic matter, making nutrients easier for plants to absorb. This natural process supports stronger root development, greener leaves, thicker stems, and faster overall growth. It's one of the safest and most effective fertilizers for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Part 3. How to use worm castings correctly. Using worm castings is incredibly simple, but applying them properly ensures your plants receive the maximum benefit. Start by lightly watering the soil if it feels very dry. Next, sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of worm castings evenly across the soil's surface for small houseplants, or use a little more for larger pots. Gently mix the castings into the top inch of soil without disturbing the roots. Water again to help nutrients begin moving through the root zone. Another excellent method is making worm casting tea. Place 1 cup of worm castings into a bucket containing 1 gallon of water and let it steep overnight while stirring occasionally. The next day, strain the mixture if desired and use the liquid to water your plants. Apply either dry castings or worm tea once every 4 weeks during spring and summer when plants are actively growing for the best results. Part 4. 4 secrets that multiply growth even more. Even the best fertilizer cannot perform miracles if your plants lack the right growing conditions. First, provide bright, indirect sunlight because light powers photosynthesis and fuels growth. Second, water correctly by allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly before watering again. Constantly wet soil suffocates roots and encourages rot. Third, maintain good humidity for tropical plants such as Monstera, peace lily, calathea, and philodendron. Higher humidity helps leaves expand properly and reduces stress. Fourth, repot root-bound plants every 1 to 2 years using fresh, well-draining potting mix. Fresh soil provides better aeration and additional nutrients that encourage new root development. Finally, clean dusty leaves regularly with a damp cloth. Dust blocks sunlight and reduces photosynthesis, making plants grow more slowly. When these care tips are combined with monthly feeding, you'll often notice larger leaves, stronger stems, and healthier roots within weeks. Part 5. Common fertilizer mistakes to avoid. One of the most common mistakes gardeners make is believing that more fertilizer equals faster growth. Unfortunately, overfeeding creates excess salts in the soil, which can burn roots and damage your plant instead of helping it. Always follow recommended amounts and never apply fertilizer more frequently than needed. Another mistake is fertilizing plants that are already stressed from overwatering, underwatering, pests, or disease. Solve these problems first before feeding. Avoid fertilizing immediately after repotting because fresh potting soil usually contains nutrients that your plant can use for several weeks. During winter, most indoor plants naturally slow their growth due to reduced daylight, so fertilizing should also be reduced. Finally, remember that consistency beats quantity. Feeding your plants regularly in small amounts while maintaining proper watering, lighting, humidity, and soil care will always produce healthier, stronger, and longer-lasting growth than occasional heavy fertilizing. Now you know one of the biggest secrets behind those lush, thriving houseplants you see online. Worm castings provide gentle, long-lasting nutrition while improving soil health, encouraging stronger roots, and supporting steady, healthy growth. Combined with proper light, watering, humidity, and regular care, this natural fertilizer can transform struggling plants into beautiful, vibrant specimens over time. Remember, successful gardening isn't about using the most expensive products. It's about giving your plants exactly what they need, consistently. If you enjoyed today's video and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest indoor gardening tips, fertilizer secrets, and plant care guides. Share this video with fellow plant lovers and leave a comment below telling us which plant you'll try this secret fertilizer on first. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy growing.
Want to keep your indoor jungle thriving? This is my absolute secret right here.